Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and we have put together a book that's going to help you out a ton in your offices when it comes to restoring full arch cases. So whether it's a fixed case or removable, like an overdentured case, this book is going to help you get you on the right path to restoring after surgery. We get calls all the time with different patient scenarios. Maybe it's the implants have been placed and nothing else, or we have the implants and the locator above us, or the implants and the multi-units. But what do I do next? How do I get on the right path? Well, this book is going to help you out. This will get you started. So in this book, in the first couple pages, it has the different patient scenarios. So maybe they're in their printed Triant, or maybe they are, like I said, just implants only. You'll go to that scenario. It explains exactly what to do from there, and then tells you what page in the book to go to, what parts you need to order, how to go about doing that. So this is your full book on every restorative protocol, whether it's analog or the digital workflows. And we have, of course, photogrammetry workflows in here. So we have the latest digital workflows and your standard analog workflows here in this book. If you have any questions, give us a call here at the lab. We have an ebook on this, and we're going to have a physical book as well that we can send to you. So give us a shout, request a book. We're here to help you out. Check us out in our socials for anything new and exciting coming out in the world of dental. And we look forward to working with you on all your full arch cases. Thanks.